Hello everyone, welcome from Frankfurt am Main, Germany to another short review. It's really short. Today we have a look at another GoPro original accessory. That's the hand plus wrist strap. Hope you can see that. That's the box from the other side, and you can use it basically with all GoPro cameras out there. I unboxed it already for you, so this one here is useful if you would like to wear the hand wrist, the hand holder, whatever, with your thumb in between. That's how it looks like. Build quality, to be honest, is great with all other, maybe not with all, but with most GoPro original accessories. So is this one. So that's basically how it looks like. If you close that down here, you have a hand holder basically for your GoPro Hero, whatever, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, doesn't matter. It's available, it's compatible with all GoPro cameras out there. This one here, I guess, was included. Was it included or was it not included? I think it was included. So the reason why I got it is, so build quality is cool. You can turn that 360 degrees around. It's quite stiff, which is pretty cool because once you dive down maybe a hill, or if you're riding a motorcycle, or if you dive, it must be stiff so that your GoPro is not floating around your hand. That is pretty cool. One of the reasons why I got it is because I wanted to give you some more perspectives when I do my reviews about the cameras. For instance, when I review telephoto lenses. So my idea was to put that at the end of a telephoto lens, close it, have the GoPro here attached to it, and then I have a different perspective when I film myself. So basically the GoPro is filming me at the end of a telephoto lens, and it gives me a different perspective for my reviews, which is pretty cool. However, that only works with my RF 70 to 200mm lens when I zoom out, because that is way too small if I want to close that. So my idea didn't work out, and that's the reason why I have to send that back. I'm pretty sure that most people out there would never use it for the occasion I was planning on using it. So I guess you're making here a pretty good deal for about 20 to 30 bucks. However, it doesn't work in my case, so I have to send it back. Build quality, as I said, is cool. You get a lot of different perspectives, a lot of different views for the stuff that you're doing, for all the creators out there, maybe on your next vacation. But for me, it doesn't work out. However, the link is listed in the video description below. Make sure to follow me on Telegram and Instagram. And if you do have any questions, please make sure to state a comment below. All the best from Frankfurt am Main, Germany. See you very soon und bis bald. Tschüss.